Did you hear the news? This Saturday we are celebrating Pongal in our school.
Yes, Kavinya. Pongal is such as a wonderful festival. It's our Tamil harvest festival. I'm so excited. What do we do during the celebration?
We will decorate with colorful rangoli, cook sweet Pongal and have fun activities.
Sweet Pongal. I love sweet Pongal. Me too, Harish. It's made with rice, jaggery and milk. It's so tasty. Can we wear traditional new dresses?
Of course, Rajkumar, everyone can wear beautiful traditional clothes.
I will wear my new vesti. I will wear a pattu pavada. Will there be games? Yes, Vimal. There will be games, dances, and even pot-breaking game. That sounds so much fun. Can we invite our parents?
No, Rishikesh, this is just for students and teachers. But don't worry, we will have lot of fun together.
Yes, let's all participate and enjoy the Pongal celebration. It's going to be a memorable day.